Here is an activity for verifying the laws of exponents. The objective of this activity is to learn about the laws of exponent for rational bases. Let's first understand what do you mean by exponents, bases, and having rational bases. So suppose you have a base a and we are raising it to the power m. So we call it as a raised to the power m. This a is called the base and m is called the exponent. The base can be anything. It can be an integer, it can be a whole number, or it can be a rational number. Similarly, the exponent m can be positive or negative or even zero. In this activity, we will be taking the base to be rational. So that means the base will be in the form a upon b and we are raising it to power m. For an example, let's take 2/3, 2 by 3, and we are raising it to the power 4. It means that we are multiplying 2 by 3 by itself how many times? 4 times, because the exponent is 4. Also, when you have a rational base with an exponent and you are multiplying it by the same base raised to a different exponent, then the base remains the same and you can actually add the exponents. So this will become 2 by 3 raised to power 7. Let's verify these laws using the activity, for which the material required are the general material like white paper, scale, color pencils, and eraser. Let's perform this activity now.
So in this activity, we have taken 3 units by 1 unit rectangle and divided it into 3 squares and colored them with different colors. This 3 by 1 matrix represents 3 raised to power 1, that is 3. So there are 3 parts. Now if I fold it like this and then give it 2 folds, 1 and 2 folds like this, then you try to open it. What will happen? How many different parts will be made? Just look at this. So if you count the total number of parts in this, you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many folds did you make? You made 2 small folds, and therefore 3 raised to power 2 is how many parts? It is 9. Likewise, if you take a 2 by 1 matrix like this, so you have 2 parts, so this represents 2 raised to power 1, which is 2. So there are 2 parts. But if I fold it and fold it once more like this, then when you open this, it will have how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. And therefore 2 raised to power 2 is 4. Now, once you have derived these two results, we can divide these two results and get the value of what? 3 raised to power 2 upon 2 raised to power 2 is, how much was 3 raised to power 2? It was 9, and 2 raised to power 2 was 4. So when we have a common exponent, we can actually combine the base like this. 3 upon 2 raised to power 2 becomes equal to 9 upon 4. And this proves the law of exponent for rational bases.